Here's a brief look at the markets from the E-mini day trader perspective for Wednesday, March the 25th, 2009. Of course, this is just a shortened version of the 15 to 20 plus minute video that's prepared each day in detail for the members. But just to give a quick look here at how we were viewing the market today. Here's our overnight move. We had the expectation that the market, even though it was a fairly weak sell-off in our mind, that it should test the low, and if it had some strength, could find some more sellers as it got lower, could then push the market lower, and of course it wasn't able to do that. Instead, it opened here and had a good move up, testing the high that was formed a couple of days ago. Rejected off of that, and then the market fell down all the way towards this high volume area that had formed back a couple of days ago, and actually testing into the known support area down in this area. So when the market ended up by doing that and testing down below, even though it stayed down there for a while, it got rejected pretty strongly and then had approximately a 20-point rally off of the low. So on a temporary basis, it looked like the market had shifted into the sell mode on an intraday basis, but with the turnaround late in the day, it really nothing has changed. The up option is still intact, and looking again to see likely if the market can test that 820 to 825 area, likely relatively soon. As far as the individual profiles are concerned, you can see here that the inside day yesterday did produce a little bit more volatility today as the market came down here and then ended up by having that good rally to finish the day. So looking at that, the uptrend is certainly still intact. As far as our trades were concerned today, our very first trade was off of this beautiful deceleration bar right here that got us short, and as you can see, the market had a tremendous sell-off. We just got nicked to getting stopped out here for just a 4-point gain on the final partial, but save for one tick, that thing would have been held for an additional 12 points, but that's just kind of how it goes. We did get another short triggered right in here, our second trade of the day. The market then came down and got us into a long trade right here. Unfortunately, it stopped us out at break even on that trade. We did place another short trade in here, did reach our first objective only, so ended up by being a break even. When the market started to rally, we actually got into a long trade here. It hit both of our objectives, and then we actually reversed the final partial of that as the market rallied up here with the expectation of a bit of a dip. We did get the dip there, but on the longer time frame basis, of course, it continued higher for the day. So we had, I think, 6 trades today. All of them, 4 of them, all of them making money. 2 of the trades were break even. 2 of the trades were break even on the final partial, so we hit our first and second objective on both of those trades. And we had 2 other trades that not only hit our first 2 objectives, but had nice follow-throughs of a 1.5 and 4 points on the final partial. So a really nice day of trading, and good to see the market moving around as much as it did today, and certainly providing us with a lot of opportunity. So we're looking for that market to probably have some legs and continue higher. May very well dip. We're taking a look at likely in around the about 800 to 801 area as support, and then 795. So those are really the areas that we're looking at as far as the market giving us some good support come tomorrow. So that'll be it for a quick look at the market for Wednesday, March 25th. And of course, if you got any comments or questions, just get a hold of us at eminidaytrader.com or send us an email at info@eminidaytrader.com. Thanks.